Tom, obviously we would have loved Marie to be here tonight. I've had the great fortune to meet her, but she's also given you some words of hers.
She has, yes.
So in some ways we have her presence here through a few words that she's written for you to, or at least have been written for her for you to read out. Do you want to put them in a context, or would you just like to read them?
Well, Marie writes a lot. That was one of her passions. Sure. And we're hoping to get a book of hers published. That's my little bit of advertising for Marie.
No, she ordered me to say as much as well.
Yes. And we have got an agent who's putting together all of the bits and pieces that Marie has written over the years, and we hope that that will be done. But yes, I'll read this. This may not be easy for me.
Take your time. Take all the time you need.
Thank you for listening to what I have to say. This is what was missing from the court. While I feel let down by the judgment, it's more upsetting that it feels I wasn't listened to. It seems the state does not want me to die, but all the time chips away at my quality of life, one cutback after another. The latest being the mobility scheme and the carbon tax increasing heating and transport costs. Shame on Enda Kenny for what he's doing to people like me. If the people who make the decisions won't listen to me, I would ask them to come and live my life for just one day or even 1 hour and tell me how enthusiastic they would be about living. It seems they will not give me permission to die, but they will not help me to live either. On a positive note, I want to say how grateful I am to Tom.
Tom, are you okay?
To Tom, my family and all my carers for what they do for me. They do all the things I would love to be able to do for myself, like showering, dressing, feeding, and even scratching my nose when it itches. I tolerate a lot and I don't ask much. All I ask is to be allowed to make my decision about death and to be given that help that I need to carry out my wishes. Through no fault of my own, I cannot carry out my wishes myself. I'm not asking to find someone to help me. I have that person already. All I ask is that I can carry out my wishes without getting him into trouble. Is that too much to ask?
That was a very brave thing to do, and we appreciate Marie doing that for us, and well done for reading it. It's not an easy thing to do, Tom. Thank you. Okay. We'll leave it there, but Tom, thanks so much for coming in. Look after yourself and take care of Marie, and we wish you well in the future. Tom Curran, ladies and gentlemen. Have a sip of water.